Hello students, welcome to Competitive Exam Library YouTube channel. Today we are going to see another problem based on the block diagram reduction technique which is given in the previous papers. So if you observe this problem, first we are going to see here, we are going to separate this summing point so that we can reduce very easily. So first step we will do, let us separate these summing point. So first I am doing that. Okay, let us separate this summing point. Now we are separated these two summing points. So after this separation, if you observe here, so this these two are, so how these two are connected, see, just I will highlight it. How these two are connected, they are feedback elements. First we will reduce that, so after that you will get another change that we will do in the next step. So after this reduction, what is your answer you are going to get here, that is G1 divided by 1 plus G1 H1. So because it is a negative feedback, we are going to get a, so that will be deducted. After that, so there is another also you can do here only. So what is that step is, here you can do another step. So how these two are, after that this entire part also can be reduced. So how these two are connected, these two are connected in series, so that you can write your answer as, that is G1 into G2 whole divided by 1 plus G1 H1. With these changes we will draw the next diagram. So with these changes we are going to draw the next diagram. See. So now what we will do, now we are going to shift this summing point ahead of this block, so that what will happen, this will become, so this G4 and all these things will become parallel, so with respect to this block. So if you observe here, let us see what I am doing. So I am going to shift this summing point. So this summing point is shifted to here. So that is what we are doing here. So we are going to shift this summing point to here. So let us do that in the next step. Now this will become a feedback element. So what is the here answer you are going to get, because these two are connected in parallel, so that the answer will be, here you are going to get, that is 1 plus G4 whole divided by G1 G2 by 1 plus G1 H1. That is one thing. So you are going to get the answer as like that, or you can write that is also equals to 1 plus G4 into 1 plus G1 H1 whole divided by G1 G2 also. And here also you are going to get the feedback element, that will be, that is G1 G2 by 1 plus G1 H1 by 1 plus G1 G2 by 1 plus G1 H1 whole into H2. So this is the reduction you are going to get. So with this reduction we will write the next step, and how these two are connected. So these two boxes are connected in series. So first we will reduce this, then we will write the answer is here only. So let us reduce that. That will be G1 G2 plus G4 plus G1 G4 H1 whole divided by G1 G2 here. This is the first part here, and here also we will reduce that will be G1 G2 divided by LCM will gets cancelled here, that will be 1 plus G1 H1 plus G1 G2 H2. So these are the two terms you are going to get here. So they both are connected in series, so they are going to get multiplied. That we will do in the next step. Now these three are in series, so we will reduce that final answer, and this is the feedback. So this is the feedback element. So final answer we are going to write here, that we will do in the next step. So final answer will be, we can write, first we will going to multiply this series element. So what is the answer we are going to get? The series element G1 G2 plus G4 plus G1 G4 H1 into G1 G2 G3 so gets cancelled here. So here we are going to get G1 G2 G3 plus G3 so this feedback with the H3. So 1 plus so with this reduction we are going to write the final answer. The final answer will be, that is C of S divided by R of S. Here this numerator LCM and denominator LCM will get cancelled. So what you are going to get, that we are going to write here, that is G1 plus So this is the overall transfer function of the given block diagram. That's all in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, please make comment in the comment box. I can reply. Thank you very much.